How well do you master your principle of hierarchy when working on your design projects? Hello guys, this is Stones Graphics. Thanks for joining us, and in this video I will show you how to create a social media poster while paying particular attention to the principle of hierarchy. But then, what is the importance of hierarchy in design? Well, it helps you place certain key elements of the design at positions that will attract or captivate the client's attention once the eyes fall on your design. So placing these key elements which will attract and draw the focal point in your design is very important, and that is why today I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to go about this without any issues. If you are joining us for the first time, please kindly subscribe and don't go anywhere, because this is coming up. Okay guys, so this is Pixellab. We are going to be using it for our design, so I'm going to delete this right away. Then what we're going to do is to click here on background setting to bring in the background from our gallery. So right here I have this alcoholic Heineken. It's a social media art design we want to create for Heineken. So I'm just going to maintain this size, and once I'm done with this, we are going to click back here on the third button or the middle button here. Then you click on import. Now import will allow you to bring in another awesome image of Heineken. So right here I have this image of Heineken. What I'm going to do is just to crop it this way, okay, so we can do away with the photo room watermark. But then we are going to size this up to meet up with the initial design here. So we can size this up to be of the same size somehow with this particular design here. So look at what we are going to do now. We are going to bring in the text for the design. So I'm going to click here on the A selection, which is for text. Then we're going to write Heineken. So like I said, we're using hierarchy here, and hierarchy is already in display. Now if you are a customer, once you see this flyer, attention will first of all go to this alcoholic bottle here for Heineken. It will surely grab your attention, and when it grabs your attention, the next thing you want to look at are the other elements that we want to include now in the design. But then let's go with this first of all. So I'm going to go to my text option, then I bring in this particular font called the Monganite Black. I'm using Monganite for this effect here. So we're going to increase this in size, make it big enough. Okay, then after making it big this way, we are just going to make it very big. Then we can rotate this. All right, we can rotate this way. Then we size it up once again and position it just like so. Now after positioning it here carefully, go and send it to the back of this other drink element, so that the text can now fall to the back of the drink button. So we are going to lock up the drink button, then we shift this to fall exactly this way. Now we can go to rotation and check the rotation. Alright, we position it this way. Now that you have done this, you can see that we still have some sections of the text showing here which we don't want. So we are going to first of all go to layer and lock this up, and after locking it up, you want to go now to import, and I have this other element, so I'm going to crop this, and after cropping it, we can increase this in size, and we'll position it here as well. You can position it here this way. Okay, good. Now after positioning it at that angle, you can also lock this up. But then I have with me here, it's the logo mark for Heineken. So I'm going to bring in the logo for Heineken right now, and by bringing that, we are going to bring it here. So this is the logo for Henneken, as you can see. Let me even crop it again. We can crop this, so it's really too small, we can't really crop that out. But go to your erase color option, then you choose your erase color button, and let's pick out the dark portion on it. All right, make it this way, so you can see we have this now. Let's try to crop this out, guys. It's really not going, but then we can place it here. All right, we're going to use eraser right now to do some work here. Let's erase sections of this. Erase. Okay, so we can have this right here with us, but then we're going to increase it now in size, make it very big, then position it just here like so. After positioning it there, go to your layer button and lock it up, so we can send it a little bit inwards. Then what we're going to do is to go to new text and write the promotional tag. So we are going to write exceptional quality every day. So this is just a kind of a promotional tag, and what we're going to do now is to go to our fonts, and we give this HK Grotesque bold font, and reduce this in size and break it down into 2 lines. So after breaking it into 2 lines, go to your alignment and make sure that you are using a middle alignment. Sorry, so I'm using a middle alignment, and you click OK. Let's reduce this further. Then after doing that, you want to go to line spacing and reduce the line spacing in between the text. Position it neatly just directly below the logo. After doing this, we are going to go to shape, select a simple square shape, bring it here this way, then stretch it out to cover this section of the design. Then now let's go give it this other color right here with us. And after giving this color, what we're going to do is to go to text and write the now available at all our sale points and online. Let's make this in caps, and we're going to use a font here. Let's try Cabin Bold Trajax. Okay, so we're trying Trajax font, but then we're going to reduce this drastically in size. Use relative position to tack it to the middle. So we have this all clearly pointed out neatly. So now let me take you back to the principle of hierarchy, like I was saying here. Now once your eye lands on this design, the first thing your eye grabs attention on is this bottle, then followed by this text, and finally the viewer will end here with this other detailed description and perhaps this one. So hierarchy enables you to captivate focus, or to draw the focus of your customers or the customers of that brand from the most important product of that company displayed on the flyer, to the very details that will allow the customer to now take actions. So this allows customers of this particular brand we are working with right now to get captivated by this bottle, and once the attention has been pricked or attention has been grabbed from this bottle, he can now proceed to look at what this other text is. Then the last thing the eyes will fall on is on this text to take action. Now this is the importance of hierarchy. It first of all allows you as a graphic designer to position your elements freely in a way that the attention grabbing elements are placed very much bigger in size. Now I must insist here that size is very important for graphic design as far as hierarchy is concerned. So you use size and also the white spaces in your design to help you blend your elements in such a way that the most important elements are standing out very big in size and separated by white spaces to the other detailed informations that are available for that design. So that is what is happening here exactly, and I hope this will help you out also when you are doing your next design project. If you understand this principle, it will guide you a lot on your design principles and how to use them to create captivating designs that are captivating in nature, designs that are proven to underpin or to underlie the principle of hierarchy as their basic component. So this is it, guys, but we're not going to end here. We're still going to add some light live into the flyer. So we're going to save this social media design right now and proceed to Pixellab to blend it with some light effects. So right now we're going to go to Pixellab, and on Pixellab, if you don't have Pixellab, just download it on your Google Play Store. It's freely available, so you can click on this plus button. So once you download Pixellab, just sign in and you'll see the plus button. Now the plus button will enable you to click on the design, which is here. So after clicking on this design, what we're going to do is to go to the next option, which is add photo. So go to add photo, and we have the light effect here. So this is the light effect we want to use. Now we're just going to size this up to cover the entire design space. After sizing it up, you want to go to blend option. So let's blend this using screen. Okay, we're using screen, but there are other blending options you can use if you want, but for us, I think we can use just screen for that. All right, let's check overlay also. Screen is too bright, so we can use overlay, no issue. So the overlay gives it this green texture, which is very important because the design itself is using green as a major component. Now after using this overlay, go back to your eraser, which is here. So we're going to erase some certain portions of the light effect. So we're going to click on eraser. First of all, we're going to reduce the opacity of the eraser, then increase the size, and we can now start erasing. So let's do some erasing here. Let's do some erasing here, guys. So look at where my eraser is. It's at 69%, the eraser opacity, and the size is 100%. Okay, then the hardness is 70. We just want to erase it lightly, not too much, just some light erasing. Okay, so this is okay, it's perfect now, and all you can do is to click on this check mark, which is here. Then you want to now download your design and you are ready for consumption. So this is our design. I will show you here. This is our design. We see the principle of hierarchy playing itself here. The beer bottle is first major element that has been given a big size. It is not for nothing that we gave it that big size. Is to captivate attention, and since it is an advertising design, using the principle of hierarchy is just so important as getting more customers for this particular brand. So this is it as far as aligning your principle of hierarchy is concerned with creating captivating designs that capture attention of customers at a glance. Thank you so much for watching, and do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for yet more other amazing tutorials. I'll be seeing you in our next video. God bless you.